World's shortest guide to thinking in first principles. Elon Musk uses it, so do elite engineers, scientists, and people who always seem 5 steps ahead. And no, it's not because they're smarter or born different, it's because they don't think like normal people. Most people memorize first principle thinkers, rebuild reality from scratch, and after this video you'll know how to do it too. Step 1: delete what you know. Sounds stupid, but it's critical. Most people never think, they just repeat things they've heard. That's how it's always done. That's just how it works. Those sentences kill thinking. First principle thinkers assume almost everything is wrong or outdated. Before you solve a problem, ask yourself, what am I assuming is true, and who told me that? Half the time the answer is school, society, or some random guy online. Step 2: break the problem down until it hurts. Normal thinkers stop early. First principle thinkers keep going. Example: I want to get fit. Wrong, that's vague nonsense. Break it down. Fitness equals muscle strength, cardiovascular capacity, and recovery. Keep breaking. Muscle comes from tension and protein. Cardio comes from stressing. The heart. Recovery comes from sleep and calories. Now suddenly you're not confused anymore. You're dealing with physics and biology. Step 3: rebuild from the ground up. This is where memorizers fail. They look for templates, routines, step-by-step plans. First principle thinkers ask, what is the simplest way this could work? Forget how others do it. Ask, if I had to invent this from zero, what would I do? That's how Elon made cheaper rockets. That's how great learners learn faster. They don't copy systems, they build systems. Step 4: explain it like you're 5. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it, period. First principle thinkers constantly ask, can I explain this without jargon, without fancy words, without hiding behind complexity? If not, go back and break it down again. And here's the brutal truth: this way of thinking is not for normal people because it's uncomfortable. It makes you question everything. It makes you slower at first, but unstoppable later. Memorizers look smart in exams. First principle thinkers win in real life. If you start thinking this way, you won't just learn faster, you'll see the world differently, and once that happens, there's no going back.